Wow, look at my gungo. Look at my gungo. Yes, I'm going to pick all these gungo. I'm going to make gungo rice. Gungo rice, okay? So after I pick it, I'm going to shell them and I'm going to make gungo rice. Okay, you saw me earlier picking my gungo. Look how much gungo I get. So many gungos. Alright, I am going to shell the gungo and I'm going to make rice and gungo. That is right, gungo rice and peas. Oh, they're crisp, you see it? 3 different type of gungo. I'm gonna show you them. I'm gonna show you. Wow, they're spitting away. I have black. Look. See it? 3 different colors. Okay, so I'm gonna shell. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. It's me again. I want to thank you very much journeying with me, and I get 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Today I'm going to cook gungo rice and peas, and I know you saw me earlier picking my gungo, shelling my gungo, and here it is. I have 3 different colors. 3 different colors, and I'm going to cook. My rice is over here, and this is, we're going to cook it with real coconut. Real coconut. And I have my scallion and thyme and pepper here and garlic and ginger and pimento seed. Further on down the journey, I will be adding more stuff to it, especially dry ingredients, okay? So I'm going to wash this and put it to soak for around 4 or 5 hours, and then I will be right back. So I'm going to soak my peas and I will be right back. Okay guys, my peas has been soaking for like around 3-4 hours. Yes, I have some water on the fire here. Put my soaking peas in here with some garlic, and I'm going to make it cook till it gets tender. Okay, and this is 2 cups of peas. Okay, I am back to look at my gungo on the fire. Look. Wow. Wow, you see it? Don't take, oh yes, see it? Soft. Very soft. Alright, I'm gonna make my coconut milk and season up my pot. Put my rice in and we on our way. Yes, over to my coconut now. And you have to dice the coconut before you put it in the blender. And I thought the peas would take longer to boil, you know. But I don't know, with some soft and some. This is from my backyard, so I can tell about it. Okay, this is my coconut. And here goes my blender over here. Okay, my blender. Start. I think it's done. Alright, let me strain out my. Oh yeah. It's a big coconut. So. Okay. To my pot, my coconut milk. To my, oh my gosh. It's when the milk go in the peas. Look at the color I give it. Very good. Very, very good. All right, I'm just gonna put my seasoning in my pot. A pepper. I don't want a ripe pepper. Green pepper is nice with it. And this is a green scotch bonnet pepper. My thyme, my scallion, sweet pepper, my garlic, and my ginger. And here I have some dry seasoning. I have salt, black pepper, and I beat the pimento seed. I don't like it whole. Okay? Alright. All-purpose seasoning in there. I'm going to give this boil for like a 15 minutes, and then I will come right back with my rice. Okay? I am back. I'm just going to taste it and see a taste. Put a little in my hand and see if it need anything else. Yeah, let me put a little salt. It wasn't to what the taste I'm looking for, so I had some more seasoning to it. This is the dash and some salt. I think this will bring it up. I'm not putting no butter in the pot because the coconut is so rich. Okay, and I told you that I have 2 cups of peas and 3 cups of rice, and this is brown rice. And this is rice I like this brown rice. Okay, so I have 3 cups of rice here. I'm gonna put it in my pot. Okay, my rice is in my pot, so I'm going to allow it, make it simmer down. Yes, smell good. Okay, hey, let me check my rice. Oh my God, Mr. The Scotch bonnet pepper in the rice smells so good. Wow, it's coming. Look. Oh my God, look at my rice. See it? Oh, give it another 5 minutes. Let it just simmer down, okay? Just give it another 5 minutes, let it simmer down. Oh my God, you can see this coconut is so rich in the pot. It smells so nice. Wait. Alright. Okay. I think my 5 minutes to 6 minutes is up. Oh my God. Look at my rice. Look. Oh my loving shepherd. Shelly. Take out these scallion, and I cut some of this scallion small. This is time. Oh, pepper smells so good. Look at my rice. This is nice. This is very nice. Wow. Thank you very much. And this rice, you can eat with anything you want to eat it with. Oxtail, curry goat, baked chicken, anything. And you know what kind of rice, what this nice with? Cabbage and saltfish. Wow. Wow. So, this is my gungo rice and peas. Yes. And I think it's done with my pepper on top. Okay? Gungo rice and peas. This is dry gungo rice. Okay? And it's coming from my backyard. My peas and my Scotch bonnet pepper and my coconut. Okay? Remember, you can eat it with anything. And this is my finishing touch. And I would say to my subscriber again, I want to thank you very, very much for journeying with me this far. I reached 500 subscribers. Thank you. May the love of God continue to bless and to keep each and every one of us until we meet again in this fashion to cook rice and anything else. Okay? Bye from now. I said you can eat it with anything. Bye-bye. See you next time. Okay, just like, share, subscribe, leave a comment.